I want a very honest answer. Are you both tired of working here? Is that why you want to leave?
No. Tired, okay? Are we tired?
We more tired.
We can't tire. I will jack off.
Me personally, I'm more tired. Just that say na Elias. Anytime me say make I escort and go see Papa, we don't almost die. Say, Abi?
No be say you don't they almost die. You don't die already.
Okay.
You know, as they talk to you now in funeral, they don't fix them. Okay. I want go because in my family, that man na my papa younger brother. He noble man, and I'm the only surviving son for that family. So if I no can read his funeral oration, nobody go feed it down. So I want go read them so that he go rest in peace. Yeah, what would no be say we don't die.
Elias.
Sir.
Beauty.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys afraid? Because I know both of you don't feel safe here anymore.
No.
We're safe.
We safe. In fact, we are even like savings accounts. We are safe. What different name? Nothing mega.
We're safe.
That reminds me, what happened to your stomach?
It's a pity.
My stomach. Oh yes, is a family battle that I am battling with. Yes, it's a family cause. In fact, in our family, this is a sickness that always come to us. In our Igbo language, they call them ogorobia. That means if you dey small, you go come. If you go, you go come. You go come. It is frequent. In fact, coming and going sickness. Our family now waiting they take nurse. My elder brother, if you see him, so it plenty. No. If you see that name, my sister where they marry for Amiibo. If my sister come out here, she don't old, but whoever for the they can draw.
Now fibroid.
Everything for our family. Now so God take give us. I know why. So I in fact na tumor of the womb. Tumor. I come from there. It come from to fibroid. So na family. Yes.
I thought it was only women that usually get fibroid.
No, men. No.
Our own is different. Our case is different. God made it from beginning. Yes. Now come from our forefathers. Family, our lineage. Our lineage is known for fibroid. So we don't come. We say it don't come. Why are you going to give it to? So,
okay, fibroid.
You don't go say we take our family problem. They wear you forward.
Yes.
If you look me in my life, I live. Who get this case? You don't see them before.
Wonder.
Such person plenty. You know, see, say like this now.
That's the way shame they catch me to see.
Look at the degree carry me again, sir. You like this, now get internal sickness.
Yes.
They call them libidiasis.
What?
Libidiasis.
Yes.
Okay.
Now when she dey sleep, you go know.
That's enough.
Yes.
Okay. Whatever sickness that is in your family, I'm so sorry about.
Yes.
Just stay here. Huh?
That's so nice. Get everything. You don't get vanishing spirit.
My network for vanishing is gone. What are we going to do now?
It's your fibroid now. This size now, I want to vanish with this size now.
Have you vanished your sick? You go die for me.
You go die.
I bring the money, oh.
Hey, what?
Make me share.
What the hell? What is the meaning of this? Beauty! Beauty!
Yes, sir.
Come here.
Sir.
What is the meaning of this? What did you just serve me?
No,
you served me to eat this?
Sir, now this. Only this 9 days. So manage all this.
Shut up your mouth. What do you mean this is the only thing in this house? Why didn't you tell me?
Sammy, I don't want to give you updates here outside the all too. The streets now, they very much electrical. They shock everybody. I don't want to give you updates. So just manage them, sir.
Beauty.
Sir.
How is that my business? Now you go upstairs to my room. Get some money and go to the market and restock this house.
Sir, face. If I go outside and I pity my size, I want to run. I want to carry these whole people they don't follow me. No easy now.
You have just 1 hour. 1 hour to go to the market and get back here.
So if I go out now, my slippers will come back.
I don't care. I'm not going to repeat myself. Nonsense.
Have mercy on this size. No, doing this is not bad. Combo 100 now. They catch me outside now. I want it wrong. Sir!
Oga, come on. Come and see your dog.
Beauty. Beauty. What is this? Huh? Are you still in this house? I thought I asked you to go to the market. Is that what I asked you to do?
You want to kill me?
Since morning when you send them go market, now here she did, they cry. They cry like a cook a dog. Wait.
Sir, you know the pity for me. You know pity this community where she down for here. You know pity this trailer. Make her come go outside, make they come go waste me. What shall he profit you now to waste this fat one? Outside no good, outside no good. I don't think go.
What is your use in this house?
Hey.
Why did I employ you? Huh? You work for me, yet I'm hungry in my own house.
Okay, no wahala. So I go, but make this manhood follow me.
Thunder fire you. No be only manhood. Now womanhood go follow you. No, let Ogologo to follow you. What kind of nonsense be that one? Oga, please, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going her office. Everybody should face his or her office. In fact, last night I had a very terrible dream where my ancestors were warning me, do not go outside. Do not go outside. Do not go outside till further notice. Yeah. So I'm not going anywhere. She should carry her cross.
Sir. When we do this thing like this, all the junk why they give you chop, all those drinks and biscuits, use them they chop.
Shut up. Just shut that mouth of yours. Shut it up.
Yeah.
Stop making. Can you stop making that sound? Are you a siren? Are you an ambulance? What kind of people is I employing in this house? That are always stressing my life.
I tell you. Dustbin.
You're a fool.
Are you fool who pass?
You're a fool. See what you did, disgrace yourself. Me will go choose to clean. I know get sense. No be you rush, they cook katanga, I dey cook onions. I go turn onions to swallow. I go turn swallow to onions. You don't reach your turn, now give you now walk a cook. Where?
No worry. By the time Oga go marry me, my pants will be wash out.
Wait, Oga go marry you now. This Oga
get my body now.
Go get to eye for na body.
See, let me see. If you die, now beans I will take now beans they go share for your burial. Beans and Gary, you need a better person.
If you die, now mess will go come mess for your burial.
This one, oh, you see your burial. I can't puff,
Huh?
I can't puff. Big one like this, you go see her. No worries. I can't puff.